over. But as we talked earlier, that Afghanistan, if they are hoping for an upset, Pakistan could be the best team to get inflicted.
Slow ball, that's mistimed by Hafiz. Chance of a run out, direct hit, and well, had that hit the stumps, it could have been all over for Hafiz. But the strike is rotated. Strike is now with Shahid Afridi. 4 from 3 balls. It's getting tight, extremely tight. He was way out of his crease, and had that hit the stumps, it could have been certainly curtains for Hafiz.
Pakistan a stroke away from the victory. Afghanistan, on the other hand, need to save these 3 runs, 3 deliveries to come. Tearing in, Daulat.
That's a wide one. It's got to be a wide, needless effort. Can't bowl that length, even though Shahid Afridi is new to the crease, but they've got to keep it nice and simple. The Yorker length, keep it within the stumps. So 3 from 3 now. He had that tennis ball like bounce, and keeper didn't like it one bit. He was complaining. He looks pretty calm and composed. Thumbs up to his skipper. Massive crowd in here to watch this contest. There's a hushed silence that's transcended the cricket stadium. They were making a lot of noise, blowing horns. Nothing out there now, no noise. It's just amazing patience being shown now by the crowds, waiting in amazement for the miracle to happen, the Afghanistan fans. Afridi plays, misses the ball, and well, even the double play couldn't get rid of any of the Pakistani batsmen. Afridi says thumbs up. Yes, he's survived the scare.
But remember, Netherlands have beaten England. Kenya have had their share of a win against a test-playing nation. Afghanistan have never done that. They are taking it down to the wire. 2 of 2. Can they do it?
Two from 2 balls. Nobody expected this, but credit has to be given to Afghanistan for making it so tough for Pakistan. And good that Hafiz is still out there. They needed a set batsman out there. So this is the big delivery coming up, folks. Somehow has got to bowl a dot. Pakistan just 2 runs away from a win. It's a slow ball that's blocked, so a single of the last ball is required. Scores are level. Scores are level. The bowler complaining to Hafiz, but it all ends in a friendly fire. Nothing extreme about that. I don't know what happened there. But obviously his gallop was disturbed by Hafiz's run, and I think that was the little complaint that was made, but all in good nature.
The scores are already leveled. Afghanistan have never came this closer against a test-playing nation. Remember, this is their first T20 international against a test-playing team outside of the World T20 events. There were a lot of expectations when they participated in the World T20 in Sri Lanka. but they never come this closer to a victory against England or India.
It could all end up in a super over. Single